Hello, I'm Robin Xu, a MQL5 and MQL4 developer. Decided to share the programming of MQL5 and MQL4 EA, short for Expert Advisor, Indicator, scripts in following videos. Today we'll share some basics from scratch about MQL5 coding and take an exam to code. Okay, let's get started. We'll do some preparation to code. The schedule are flowing. First, we open the empty file terminal. It is already opened. Then we'll open the editor and later we'll create the simple EA. Today we will not share something complex, just for easy study. Okay, right, click the IDE and the top, middle, here. Okay, I opened it. This is what the MQL file editor looks like. First step, we'll create a file. Okay, and the most left after upper side, click the file and then click the new. So you can see there is a list, expert, expert advisor, customer indicator, scripts, Python scripts, and so on. Well, here not all of this list. We just share the most used. Today we focus on expert template. So next page, we'll give it your name, just the name of this. Next page, okay, there is a test that already exists, but we can already this file. Okay, you can see the events handles here on list, but today we just create simple, very simple, yeah. So no need these handles. Next page, also the handles. We don't choose, just click it finished. Okay, today we'll share how to get the account balance. Account balance. So we depend on variable account balance. Use the function account info double. Okay, the first one, just choose it. Okay, we choose the second account balance. Okay, column. We break the information. Account balance. Account balance. Okay, then we compare. Okay, compare the successfully. There's no errors, there are no words. Uh, okay. I I sorted out the tutorial material here. You can see. Okay, I'll convert it into PDF form. Uh, and if you want or interest, I'll send you for free. Thanks. Uh, hope you trade well and have a nice day.